In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. To do this, just go and open up Trust Wallet, and then from the home screen right here, click on Sell. Now here, of course, you will need to own some USDT, and there is a minimum that you need to own, and you can see that once you click on it. So for example, I'll click USDT right here. And then first in the top right, just select the area you live in. So just pick your currency, which for me is euro. And I could also pick British pound or US dollar, but again, I'll go with euro. Then you will see how much you have in your balance, so just enter how much you want to do. And now you can see the minimum amount to sell right now is a little over 19 USDT, which means I don't quite have enough. But basically, after you enter how much you want to sell, you can then click on sell with whatever it says at the bottom for you. And from there, you can then just choose how you want to withdraw it, for example, to your bank account. And then once you confirm it, it will be sold. And if you have entered your details, then also withdrawn directly into your bank account. So that's how to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.